If you want to study for free in China, Thailand, Malaysia, then continue watching this video. In this video, I will share 3 fully funded scholarships for international students in mentioned countries. Vidya Sirimeti Institute of Science and Technology is offering fully funded scholarship to international students to study Master and PhD in Thailand. What majors you can apply for? You can apply for Information Science and Technology, Molecular Science and Engineering, Energy Science and Engineering, Biomolecular Science and Engineering. What are the benefits of the scholarship? You will get up to $150,000 for whole period of your studies to cover your tuition fee, your living expenses, and any costs and fees that can be related to your university. You will get all-inclusive campus facilities, including transportation from the university campus to the city center and shopping malls and back. Also, the scholarship provides the opportunity to get double degree programs if you want to continue your studies somewhere else in Europe or the United States. The scholarship will provide you this opportunity. If you apply for PhD, you will also get grants to fund your research overseas. In order to apply for the scholarship, you have to provide the following documents: CV, your transcript, degrees, bachelor degree and master degree if you're applying for PhD, and only bachelor degree if you're applying for master degree, recommendation letters, statement of purpose or motivation letter. Also, you have to provide English proficiency test, IELTS or TOEFL. And also, to support your application, you can upload your publications if you have any. When can you apply? You can apply now until January 25th. You will have all the detailed information also in the website that I will share with you in the description of the video. If you are successful, you will be invited for the interview in February, and by mid of March you will get the answer. I wish you good luck, and let's go into the next scholarship. Ton Duc Tang University of Malaysia is offering fully funded scholarships for international students to study for free in Malaysia. The scholarship funds master or PhD levels. If you want to apply for master degree, you can choose from one of these majors, including applied mathematics, business administration, civil engineering, computer science, environmental engineering, sociology. But if you want to apply for PhD studies, then you can choose among these majors: civil engineering, computer science, and computational science. There are 3 types of scholarship that university is offering: 100% scholarship, which is fully funded scholarship, which covers your tuition fee, enrollment fee, and full accommodation fees. There is also opportunity to get 50% scholarship and 25% of scholarship. Depending on your academic achievement or GPA, you will be eligible for this or that scholarship. So in order to understand whether you are eligible for 100% scholarship, you have to contact the university, inform them about your GPA, and see what they will answer you. In order to be considered for this scholarship, you have to have admission letter from one of the programs of this university. When you get the admission program, then you can go and, as a second step, apply for the scholarship. Please check the website of the scholarship that I will share with you in the description of the video, and see the list of the documents that you have to provide, because depending on the major and the program you're applying for, the list of the documents can be different. When can you apply? There are 2 rounds of application that you can apply for. If you want to study in fall semester, then you have to apply no later than 15th of May each year. But if you want to start your program in spring semester, then you have to apply no later than 15th of November. Tsinghua University and Chinese Government Scholarship are offering fully funded scholarship for international students to study master or PhD in China. In order to be considered for the scholarship, you shouldn't be more than 35 years old when applying for master degree, 40 years old when applying for PhD studies. What does the scholarship cover? Tuition fee, accommodation, comprehensive medical insurance, monthly stipend. What majors you can apply for? You can apply for any major available at Tsinghua University. I have checked for you, and you can find all the majors in the world at this university, including even medicine. How can you apply for this scholarship? As a first step, you have to apply to university to get pre-admission letter. Also, contact the department or school that you want to apply for and get a recommendation from the department. In the second step, you have to apply through the platform of Chinese government scholarship and complete the application form. You have to be in touch with your school or department and regularly check your email. As a third step, school has to recommend you for this scholarship. After that, Tsinghua University will choose the applicants that were recommended by the relevant schools and departments. After the candidates are chosen, they will be nominated for Chinese government scholarship. And as a last step, they will review and assess your application. And if you are successful and shortlisted, you will be informed by the email. When can you apply for this scholarship? In order to be considered for this scholarship and to make all these steps on time, you have to apply before 15th of December each year. I wish you good luck and see you in my next videos.